Hi, I'm Anissa. I'm a product manager at Crayon. At Crayon, we've built a great platform called Maya to simplify and personalize how consumers make decisions. We have done that for 125 million customers so far. We've built our platform on top of a massive graph database called Taste Graph. The Taste Graph connects hundreds of millions of merchants and products based on their similarities and affinities.
I'm Prasanna. I work with the engineering team at Crayon. So now you know about the taste graph and the taste. So to come up with the taste, so we have to deal with millions of data points, and to crunch the millions of data points in a way which is secure, fast, efficient for the customer, and also make it productive for the data scientists, we have to deal with cutting edge data engineering. And once we come up with the choices, we need to deliver to the customers at scale. To do that, we have to come up with latest tech in terms of API engineering and hosting it in a very highly scalable environment and provide it with the lowest latency possible.
Hi, this is Sundara. I am working at Crayon as data scientist. We are the pioneers of behavior-driven recommendation engines. We get to work on state-of-the-art techniques such as deep learning, image processing, natural language processing, and other advanced machine learning techniques. At Crayon, we make data work for customers. We also develop talent pool through meetups and active trainings.
In the last 5 years, I've worked through pretty much everything that it takes to run a business. I've worked as a data miner, I've worked in sales, I've worked in part of our investment activities. I've now moved into the role of a product manager. I'm handling our product called Maya, which is a fascinating AI-based recommendation engine. Personally, one of the most fascinating and rewarding things for me about working at Crayon is the profile of clients I've gotten to work with. Over the last 4 years, I've worked with Tier 1 banks around the world in geographies such as Indonesia, India, Singapore, the US, and the Middle East. And we really are looking to get even more clients on board over the next few years in geographies.
Hi, I'm Jessie. I work here as a product quality engineer. I'm also a member of sports committee. We've conducted 2 tournaments in the last couple of months. One was a badminton tournament, another was a carom tournament. It was really good to see the healthy competitive spirit among the people. There were many champions who won those tournaments. Hope you will join the fun soon.
I really love about Crayon is the focus on creation and also the drive towards innovation. I think no idea is too small or too big or too difficult or too easy.
Hi, I'm Smriti. I'm a business analytics consultant at Crayon. What I enjoy most about working with Crayon is the exposure that I get by working with different people across various domains like engineering, sales, marketing, investors, and others.
It's great people to work with, a lot of new talent, and it also has the possibility for you to be in touch with your extracurriculars, and you have a lot of time on your hands.
You tend to learn so many things, and things are really positive. So the moment you enter the place, you really feel like working. So there is nothing called Monday blues, and you would really love to be part of Crayon.
The fact that an organization allows you to do so many different things in a relatively free and non-hierarchical kind of a place is, I think, the most exciting thing. Every time you take on something, there is something new to learn, there is something new to do. I think that's what keeps me alive and going.
The people here are great. Every crayon helps the other crayons to grow and enable their growth.
As the name suggests, Crayon, life is definitely colorful out here with the positive, young, vibrant people around. The work culture is amazing. You tend to learn so many things.
I think that quest to learn and to be able to, the drive to want to do something big and different, to make a difference, is I think a very big thing. A new Crayon has to be energetic, and at the same time has to be relatively transparent. In a place like Crayon, we thrive when people are, when what you see is what you get. We need people who are warm, friendly, energetic, bright, curious.